Hello everyone, Jabande here. In today's video I'm going to show a super cool padlock from Anklewas that features a disc detainer core with 11 discs. This is what this padlock looks like. It is a A103 model and is quite large and heavy. This is what the key looks like. Minimalist style, quite nice. Lock is open, working very smooth. As you can see from the profile of the keyway and the key, it is similar to rectangular trapezoid, and this is the shape of the tip of the pick we should have to pick this lock. The tension is from the first disc, so making a tensioner is not super difficult. So let's see the guts. Okay, so here are the all internals from this lock. This is the housing from the core. There is nothing special. This is what it sidebar looks like. It's just a round bar. And now the discs. In this lock, all discs that are cut as 0 have no false gates. So this disc has been cut by 0. As you can see, there is only through gate. First and the last discs has a profile of the key, and they are cut as 0 as well. I will add that in disc detainer locks, the discs that are cut as 0 must be turned maximum clockwise. Right, other discs that have other cuts usually have 1 or 2 false gates. As you can see here, we have 1 false gate and 1 through gate on this disc. On this one we have 2 false gate and 1 through gate. Alright, there is nothing more, I think. This is what my pick looks like. The tip is shaped to match the first discs and the tensioner I made from a 6mm diameter tube that I cut to fit the profile of the keyway. Inside this tube I soldered a 4mm diameter tube, and that's how it looks like. Alright, I think that will be all from the internals. That's how it looks. This padlock is really big and nice. Here we have the key and the cuts on this key. As you can see, all 0 cuts are here, and this last and the first discs which they have that profile. Alright, so let's pick this lock. Okay, anchorless plus padlock. Shackle is closed, so let's pick this lock. Clockwise tension, and I'll start from the second disc. Alright. Alright. Lock is open, so let's gut it. First disc and car. Okay, here we have sidebar. As you can see, all discs are set. Alright. And last disk. Alright, so that will be all in this video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. If you have any questions, please leave me in comments or find me on Discord on Lockpickers United channel. Thank you. Cheers.